Six boys ran to hospital. They all were pale. They were devastated. Tallest one went to reception and asked, "Excuse me, ma'am." Receptionist, "Yes, sir. I got a call from your hospital that a little boy injured badly." Receptionist, "What's your name, sir?" "Kim Namjoon. My hang got a call. His name is Kim Shokchin." Receptionist, "Yes, sir. We called you to inform about Kim Tehang. Who are you to him?" June, "We all are his cousin brothers. Where is he? Is he alright?" Receptionist, "He is in ICU. His situation is very critical. Our senior doctor wanna meet with you." Uh, I see you? Uh, and how are uncle and aunt? Receptionist, "Sorry, we couldn't save them. They died before come here." What about the wall? Everyone shouts, "Jimin! Jimin, control yourself." Jimin, "How, Jin Yang? How can I control myself after hearing this?" Our TT became often burst into tears. Grabbed his collar. "Don't you dare to say this. I won't hesitate to break your mouth." Yungi Hang, "Leave him. What are you doing?" Removed his hand. Yungi angrily looked at him. "Hobie, didn't you hear what did he say? How dare he to say that our TT became orphan? Orphan means who doesn't has anyone, but our TT has 6 hands. We will raise him like together. We can't fulfill uncle and aunt's pleas, but we will try to give him the love which he deserves." Jin pulled him in hug. "Of course we will give him everything." Jimin looked here and there. "Cookie? Cookie isn't here." They all started searching and found him outside of ICU. He was arguing with the doctor. "Doctor, please try to understand. We can't do this. You are still so young." Cook, "I'm not young, doctor." Compared his height by doctors. "See, I'm almost as your height." Doctor, "It's not about the height." Cook, "I don't wanna listen anything. You have to listen to me. Everyone listens to me. Please allow me." Said with teary eyes. Hobie, "Cookie," went to him. "What happened? Why are you arguing with him?" Cook, "Hobie Yankee," hugged him tightly. "See, he is denying me." Hobie, "First tell us what happened." Doctor, "Who are you?" June, "We are his brothers." "What happened? Why are you denying him?" Cook, "June Yang, Didi needs blood, but doctor uncle is denying me to give him blood." Hobie, "Cookie, you can't give him blood." Cook looked at him. "Wait, I'm his youngest Yangi. I share my everything with him. Then why can't I share my blood with him?" June wiped his tears. "Because you aren't 18 years. You can't donate your blood. We are here. Don't worry." Jin, "Doctor, I'm O positive. You can take my blood." Doctor, "Nurse, take him to blood." Nurse, "Okay. This way, sir. Left with Jin." June, "I'm going to complete the formalities." Yungi looked at Hobie. "Hobie, take Jimin and Hobie outside and stay with them. I'm going to talk with doctor." Hobie, "Okay, huh?" With that, everyone left from there. Yungi, "Now tell me, doctor, how's Titi now? I'm his second eldest young." Doctor, "Mr. Kim, I can't say anything to you right now. I did some tests. After seeing the reports, I can say anything." Yungi, "Will he be alright?" Doctor, "I will try my best, but I can't assure you that he will be perfectly alright or not." Yungi, scared, "What do you mean by this? Is there any complications?" Doctor, "You are his guardian. It's your right to know about his real condition. Physically, he can be perfectly fit in after few months or a year, but mentally, I can't say anything as he is very small. In this age, he lost his both the parents together. It's a big thing. This incident can traumatize to him for rest of his life. How's his personality? Which type of boy is he? I mean, shy and introvert, or bold or and extrovert? Jungi, Diddy is very naughty. He doesn't has legs. He has wheels. He can't stay at one place for more time. He is running and shouting all the time. The only time he became quiet when he is sleeping. He quickly make friends. He doesn't hesitate to talk with the strangers. If he saw anyone is eating strawberry, then he will go to him or her and ask the strawberries. Even his pockets were filled with strawberries. Strawberries are his weakness. He can do anything for strawberries. He is so dramatic, weak. Crying is his specialty. He can cry whenever he wants. He is full of life. He loves everyone and can't see anyone sad. Being the only child of uncle and aunt and youngest in among us, he is spoiled too. Not too much, but still he is. His cheerful face and boxy smile are the reason of our life. Doctor, okay, so his personality is cheerful. Mostly this type of incidents changed kid's whole personality and made him a different person. Jungi, what do you mean by different person? Doctor, different person means silent one. Right now he is insecure, but there is high chances that he become silent and emotionless. Maybe he can lost his memory too, or he can behave violent too. Jungi, violent? Doctor, yes, violent. Sometimes when children couldn't able to hold their emotions, they started behaving violent. They started throwing the things and hurt themselves. They find peace in this. Jungi, so what should we do in this type of situation? Doctor, give him your love and care. Medicines will work when he will be happy. Don't talk any negative or sad thing in front of him. Try to make him happy. But remember, don't show any sympathy. With whom will he live? Jungi, with us. We will take him to Seoul. There we have our big mansion. We are 6 brothers. We will take care of him. Doctor, that's good, but he needs proper attention. You will take care of him. Dr. Jungi, we will try our best. One of us will always stay with him all the time. We won't leave any stone unturned to do his upbringing. Doctor, but you have to be very careful with him. You have to patience and assure him that you are here with him. He isn't alone. Jungi, of course we will remember this. Doctor, okay then I will transfer him in Seoul. There you can meet with Mr. Lee. He is child psychiatrist. He will give you proper advice for the patient. Jungi, thank you so much, doctor. Time skipped after a year. It took a year to come out from his traumatic past. As Jungi told to doctor, all the brothers took special care of T. They were mafias. Their house was on black theme, but they changed everything and bolted in colorful for T. They did so many changes in the house and make it according to T. At first T was violent and hurt everyone, but slowly he became normal and adjusted himself. Jin stayed at home to take care of him. Brother's hard work and love brought back T in his real nature. He again started his naughtiness. The house always filled with his cheerful voice and laughter. Seeing him this much happy, brothers all their stress relieved. Jikook were still studying. They were in university. After a year, Hanks admitted T in school. June taught him everything at home and didn't let his ear ruined. Right now, there was World War III has started in the living room. Why? Let's go and see. Cook, come here, you brat. Where are you going? Today I will not leave you. This funny is very slow. Titi will feed Bunny a carrot, okay? Cook, while chasing him, I will eat your all the strawberries. T, stick his tongue. Titi already finished. Titi's all the strawberries. Hope I will bring that today, but Bunny's Nana milk is here. Titi will drink this. Cook, Tea, don't you dare to drink my banana milk. It's the last bottle. Hank won't bring that. Tea, oh yeah, Bunny got punishment na. Bunny won't get any banana milk until he do good in his next test. Cook, don't you dare to tease me. Titi, give me back my banana milk. Tea, Bunny, it's banana milk for you. Only Titi can see banana milk. Cook, by spending time with kid, I'm also behaving like a kid. Tea, who is kid in our house? Cook, wow, kid is asking who is kid. Great. Tea, offended. Titi isn't a kid. Titi is 5 years old, big boy. Cook, if you are a big boy, then who am I? A Joshi? Tea, Daddy said vigorously. Yes, Bunny, a Joshi. Cook shouts his lungs out. Ah, Kim Taeyang, you are gone now. Cook, Tea, Bunny and Joshi, first catch Titi. Giggled. Cook, Jimmy Yang is 2 years elder than me. Call him a Joshi, not me. Tea, Bunny and Joshi, don't you dare to call Titi's baby as a Joshi. Titi's baby is just a baby. Cook, what a hypocrite you are. Tea, hippopotamus? Bunny and Joshi called cute Titi as hippopotamus. Titi will tell this to Big Body. Big Body will increase Bunny and Joshi's punishment. Cook, it's hypocrite, not hippopotamus. Tea, it's shame, Bunny and Joshi. Drink banana milk and throw the empty bottle to Cook. Here is your banana milk. Cook screamed his lungs out. Ah, you little Titi. Tea ran to dining room where Jin and Hobie were sitting at the table. June was reading the newspaper and Jimin was completing his punishment. Tea chanting while running. Big Bati! Big Bati! Big Bati! June quickly held him and picked him in his arms. Why are you running, Titi? Like you saw any ghost? Tea, Titi didn't see any ghost. A Joshi is chasing Titi. Jin, a Joshi? Who a Joshi? June, didn't you lock the door? June, no, Yang, I locked the door properly after coming back from running. Jin, then how did any Joshi come in our house? June, I don't know, Yang. Wait, let me check. Cook ran to them. Kim Taeyang, where did you hide? Come in front of me. Tea stood up on June's thigh and looked at Cook. What, Bunny a Joshi? Hobie, what's happening here? Cook, why are you shouting on Titi? June made Tea sit on his lap. Titi, why are you calling him a Joshi? Tea looked at him. Big Body, Titi, shut big boy na. So Bunny will be a Joshi. Hobie, Cook, calm down and sit here. Cook, Yang, how can I calm down? This naughty Titi drank my banana milk. That was the last bottle. Now I have to wait until next test result to get another banana milk. Jimin, you should think before getting less marks and wasting time to play video games. Cook, yeah, you are saying like you didn't get any punishment. Jimin, yes, I got, but I was sick, that's why my grades fell. I didn't waste my time. Junhyang, see, I wrote all the answers 5 times. June checked his notebook. Yoongi came there. Can't I get a little bit peace to sleep? You both are shouting like World War III has started. T, Kitten, how much you wanna sleep? Kitty's teacher said we should sleep early and wake up early in the morning. Yoongi sat on the chair. I went to sleep just 2 hours ago. T, when did Titi's kitten become an owl? Jin, Titi, finish your breakfast, otherwise you will be late for your school. Jimin, don't worry, Hang, I will drop him. Tea. Yay! Titi's baby will drop Titi. Cook. If you will drop him, then who will drop me at university? I don't have my car. Jimin. I have some work there, so you will go by bus. Cook. No, I'm not going there by bus. Drop me to university too. Hobby. Don't worry, Cook. I will drop you. Time skipped at school. T's teacher gave students a fun activity. Titi was sitting with his friends and teasing them. He completed his task, so now he is disturbing others. His friends got annoyed and said, Boy 1, Titi, stop it now. Why are you disturbing us? Titi has completed Titi's work. Now Titi has nothing to do. So please play with Titi now. Boy 2, Titi has completed his work, but we haven't. Then Titi will help you to complete your work. Then you will play with Titi now. Boy 1, no, we won't play with Titi. What did Titi do? Boy 2, Titi always win, then tease us for becoming loser. We won't play with Titi. Okay, today Titi will let you win. Boy 2, no, we don't wanna play with Titi. Titi is very naughty. My mama said God punish naughty children. We won't wanna punish. Why would God punish Titi? God never punish children. Boy 1, no, God punishes like God punished Titi by calling his Oma Appa to himself. Shocked. What? No, God didn't punish Titi. You are lying. About to cry. Boy 1, don't believe us. If Titi will continue his naughtiness, then God will call his Yangi too. Then Titi will let alone. No. Titi won't let Titi, Ginny, Big Body, Kitten, Hoba, Bunny and Baby go anywhere, leaving Titi alone. Boy 2, then Titi shouldn't do any mischief. Mine, Titi will stay away from everyone. It was just normal children's talk. Sometimes we told kids that God likes good children. If you will do anything wrong, then God will punish you. But it doesn't mean God will snatch their loved ones. It's not children's fault. Children are so innocent. Their minds aren't developed this much to understand the meaning behind the words. They will take it according to themselves. It's parents' fault to not clarify them. Time skipped after a week. It's been a week since this incident happened. T didn't tell this to anyone. He became completely silent. He changed himself. Now he doesn't bother anyone, doesn't talk much, does his work himself and always stays silent. He doesn't do any mischief in this whole week. He doesn't get any complaint from school. He doesn't shout. He always talks softly. He even sleeps alone in his room. He doesn't get unnoticed by Hanks. They tried to talk with him, but he didn't want to talk with them. He maintained a safe distance from them. Right now, Hanks was returning back to home. They picked Ji-Cook from their university too. Jin, Cook. Yes, Yang. Jin, did anything happen between you and Ting? Cook shook his head carelessly. No, Hang, it's been a week since he talked with me. First I thought he was angry from me, so I apologized to him, but he said he wasn't angry from me. June, he turned silent from past week. He only fought with you among us. Did you say any hurtful things to him? Cook, no, Hang, I didn't say anything. Last we fought in front of you when he drank my banana milk, but he was normal. Jimin, I don't think he was silent because of fighting. It's been a year since he is staying with us. We all know he doesn't know how to stay angry. He stays angry for a few seconds, then forget everything like nothing happened. He is so pure hearted. I think something else happened with him. Hobie, I agree with Jimin. He can be angry from one person but not from all of us. He stopped sleeping with me and Jimin. When I asked, he said, Titi is a big boy now. Titi can sleep alone. Yoongi, we shouldn't take this matter lightly. Sudden changes in his behavior can be the sign of any mental issue. We should talk to him and try to solve this matter as soon as possible. June, I also heard about this. A cheerful person can silent when he or she hurt deeply or suffering from mental issues. We will talk with him today. Jin Yang, speed up. Jin, They all reached at home and found he was laying on the couch while hugging his tiger Pulsi. He was wearing tiger onesie which his parents brought for him. Probably he was missing his parents so much he was looking at the wall without blinking his eyes. Yangs unlocked the door by spear key and entered inside. Their heart broke to see their baby like this. Jin sit on the couch and lovingly strokes his hairs. Titi, what happened, baby? Why are you looking at the wall like this? T quickly sat up. Nothing. Jungi touched his forehead. Are you fine? T, yes, Titi's fine. Looked at June. Big Bati, Titi completed his homework. Gave him his notebook. June put the notebook on the center table and kneeled down in front of him. Why did Titi complete his homework by himself? Big body is coming now. Titi is a big boy now. Titi should do the work by himself. Hobie ruffles his ears. It's good that Titi is learning to do his work by himself, but Titi's Yangi are here to help Titi. Cook picked him in his arms and started walking. We will see how much big boy Titi is. Bunny, where are you taking Titi? Cook, to throw you from the mountain. Cook took him to the backyard and made him sit on the swing which was specially made for him. Why did Bunny bring Titi here? Jimin knelt down in front of him and held his hand. We wanna talk with Titi. Titi loves us, na? Yes, Titi loves you also so much. Jin, then Titi will answer our questions honestly, right? Nodded his head vigorously. Yes, Titi will answer honestly. Titi knows everything. Ask, what does Chinny wanna ask to Titi? June, why are you trying to avoid us? Why did you become silent? If you love us, then tell us honestly. Otherwise, we will think you don't love us. Shook his head vigorously. No. Titi loves you all so much. Titi doesn't wanna lose you all. That's why Titi isn't talking with you all. Yoongi, you didn't wanna lose us means? T told them everything. Titi is becoming good boy. Titi doesn't wanna God punish Titi again and call you all too, just like he called Titi. Show my nappa. He started crying. Everyone's heart clenched to hear this. Did you know their baby was suffering like this? Jimin wiped his tears. Titi, there is nothing like this, baby. God didn't punish you. Why would he punish this much cute baby? T shook his head vigorously. No, God punished Titi. That's why he called Titi Showman Nappa to himself. Yoongi, Titi, stop thinking like this. God loves their children. They won't punish us like this. It wasn't Titi's fault. Titi is a baby and baby does mischiefs. Titi didn't hurt anyone. June, yes, Yang is right. You know, uncle and aunt died in plane crash. They weren't alone. Why would God punish everyone for Titi's mistake? Are Titi so smart? Think by yourself. But Titi's friends said, Hobie, Titi, your friends are babies too. They misunderstood their parents' words. You should think this much. Titi is so smart. Titi should come to us and tell us. We will clarify Titi. T. That means God will not punish Titi if Titi will continue his naughtiness. Jimin pinched on his nose. Of course God won't. T quickly held his ears by his hands. Titi, surely Titi will never hide anything from you all. Please forgive Titi. Everyone hugged him tightly. Now never do this again. Your smile is our lifeline. They all made T understand calmly. Next day, June and Yoongi went to T's school and talked with T's friends' parents. T again started doing mischiefs and Kim Mansion again filled with laughter. If a child turns silent, then it's the sign that he or she is mentally suffering. Don't take this sign lightly. Immediately try to find out the problem and solve it. That's the only way to save the child from mental breakdown. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. It was a requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Sometimes we got this much busy in our problems that we fail to notice the sudden changes in our loved one's behavior. And when we notice, then it already became very late. The situation was very vulnerable. He was already traumatized. He was very small. His brain wasn't developed this much to understand deep meaning. Yangs were very careful with their words while talking with him because they knew one wrong word can leave the huge impact on his little brain. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.